better than them. Roll out the yes class that I was very right your story.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent the Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Roll out and deep, no fear no. Alien them a go on night till have fun. No for them a copy similar to car.
Yes, viewers, what's good? From your device, you know it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment. You know, I say yes, man. I love them thing, you know. I love when the artists them a put in the work, you know. But right now, I go talk about 3 artists right now. You see me? First one I go talk about goes by the name Himage. You see me? In drop a song name Wish. You see me? Sister Tribute. R.I.P. You see me? I say yes. I know a feeling where youth a go through. The artist is an upcoming artist, you know, him forward from down side name Windsor, Mali. You see me? And a long time I do him thing, you know. Yeah man, someone like you guys to go over Himage music. Go support him thing. Make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see me? He have a lot of songs on his catalog, man. So you can go over there and have a nice entertaining session. You see me? So I just want to know guys to subscribe to Himage music. You see me? Listen out him song them we have in his catalog. And make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see? And I tell the artist say yo, go on easy my artist and write the control song them same way. So you go, you know. Everybody know there. Nobody know there forever, you see me? Yeah man, so you have to just know say I saw a life and life goes on. And we there go and put in the work same way to make them proud. Because you know ancestors that watch how we know same way. So you have to just continue to do the right thing, you see me? And so the TV out here I go and watch it movement, you know. I'm like see when time my artists them do the right thing, you see it?
What a man them line up it talks them make we stop at one end.
Yes, you know, a king of dancehall son them at it again, you know. I say likkle vybz and likkle addi drop a EP or an album named Team Difference. You can find it on Uptown Gaza Radio on YouTube. I say you have over 14 songs on Vivo. I would like you guys to go over there go support their movement because you know them youth there, them powerful, you know. And them sing conscious song. And right now, I tell you, so I download every song we upload on the Vivo there because I like the energy where them a push. You see me? Yeah, man. Chill session. I don't time me I listen to them tune there. I just chill. Me a chill. Burn a big head spliff. Drink a special. And a pre outbox. You see me? I pre some estate and some land and some big things. Me a pre. At that type of pre-men say me I get off a song, you see it? And I tell you say, I like you all of them, you know, but when time I listen, Big Benz, club viewers and subscribers, I tell you say, Big Benz, but, you see me, the dog them a chop up it. You see me, and I love them move there, you see it? So you know, say, Soji now go play a blind eye, you know. You see me? Yeah man, we not go play a blind eye because I see say you them a put in the work, you know, and them have a business structure organized, you know. You see me? And you don't know say a vybz cartel son them, you know. So you don't know say you expect the best, you know, because them in a one good hands, you see it? Them well grown and you know brought up and things so and them do an interview with the fixing and the man them do a well job, you know man. The man them articulate themselves. Yo, I don't even know if to explain. The man them well polite and calm and relax and I do the right thing. You see me? The man them not just come to this man. The man them in this long time. So you know say Soji TV Entertainment I say yo, no go over artist them channel man and go support the dog them thing. Make them know say Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see it? I say, viewers and subscribers, I want you guys to have a productive day now, you see me? Madam mean.
Me cry. If money could have buy back life, me spend no time. Flame it up, never know so much pit need the G up. Some explain for the